Excuse me. I'm really hungry. Do you have anything to eat by any chance?
I don't have food here. Do you have anything you could buy around here?
Well, I have no money right now. Why are you helping me?
It's normal when people need help. That's it. I don't have money. This is all I have. Not that I don't have, but I should not keep this for tomorrow when someone needs it today. Come on.
What's your name? Amadou. I'm gonna give you the change back.
No, it's fine.
You said this is some of your last money.
No, I will be handled. Don't worry about that. So my sustenance is not in my hands.
What?
I'll be totally fine. Sometimes we think we are in control of these things, but we are not. So it's fine, don't worry.
Amadou, open your hand for 1 sec. Take this.
It's okay.
I'm working with a financial app company called Chime, and they're all about unlocking progress for people. So we wanted to find somebody kind. From Chime.
How did you find me?
I just saw you, man. It's 5,000 bucks.
Couldn't pay my tuition fee.
Favor, huh? I love you, bro.
I'm homeless right now. I'm homeless right now.
Oh my God. How long have you been homeless for?
First of this month, I left my room because I cannot pay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Do you know how I gave you the $5,000?
Yes.
Do you have any money left?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, certainly.
Where are you from?
From Gambia, West Africa.
What's your dream?
To be a professor. I would like to go back to my country. There I can impact more lives, I think.
I'm gonna give you the money back.
Don't worry, it's totally fine. You solve real problem, you know. I just have to say I appreciate what you did.
Hold this for 1 sec. I told you that I'm working with Chime.
Yeah.
They want to pay it forward further to you. I got another $5,000 for you.
Thank you so very much. Barakallahu.
And your laptop was a little chipped, right?
Yes.
So I got you another surprise. Got you a brand new MacBook.
Thank you.
Love you, man.
Love you too. Why are you doing all of this for me?
You deserve it. I got another surprise for you.
What?
Well, on the count of 3, I'm gonna have you turn around, okay? 1, 2, 3.
That's a car. Subhanallah.
It's your brand new car, man.
Thank you so very much.
Did you have a car?
No, never.
Baby, hug. Love you.
Love you. Did someone tell you about me?
I never knew you, man.
I wish my parents are around.
You miss them? Amadou,
Yes.
I got one more surprise for you. So last night everybody came together. That's $100,000.
100.
Your school's paid for.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen.
I love you.
I love you too. I have students that I pay school for, so
You pay for people's school?
when I do tutoring, I can pay tuition fee for others. Thank you so very much.